TTK. My name is Ttkjinadu. I'm back again with another food video. It's been a while that I have cooked on this channel, or that I've made a food video on this channel. So today I'll be cooking some delicious onion soup. Some of you might be aware of the benefits of eating lots and lots of onions. There are lots of benefits you get from eating onions, but I will name just a few for you to know how good, effective and how onion is, and how vital onion is to your body, to your system, and as part or as a supplement to most of the things you eat. Onions is known to have a high level of antioxidants. In other words, onions reduce the level of cholesterol. If you have a high level of cholesterol, start eating onions. In other words, it reduces the risk of heart disease. So it is very good and it's advisable to eat lots and lots of onions. As you know, guys, it will be very tedious or boring to start eating onions on its own, either raw or to cook them on its own. We can either eat onions as part of a food, as part or as a supplement, or today you can eat or cook onions as a whole on its own. You can use this meal or this soup I'm about to prepare as part of your meal. Okay guys, this onion soup I'm about to cook is not a French or British onion soup. It's not a typical French onion soup. It's far from it. It's not one of those winter soup, you know, those soup you sip during winter. No. This onion soup can be eaten with anything. You can eat this onion soup with swallow, rice, anything you fancy. It's not your typical winter. If you live in the UK or if you live in Europe, some of you will be aware of the French onion soup. No, I just want to clarify that. No. This is the African recipe onion soup, the African type of onion soup. Okay guys, if you're new to my channel, you're welcome. And if you're a returning viewer, you're welcome as well. I'm always glad to see you come back. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure you click that red button. Click that red button right there. Click it and you will never regret it. Click it. Please subscribe to my channel. Okay guys, these are the ingredients I will be using to cook this local onion soup. Okay, here I have grounded crayfish, scotch bonnet, stock cubes, the chicken one I prefer, grilled mackerel. I just grilled this mackerel, and snail. This were dried snail, but I've like soaked them in boiled water. These are like to soften it a little bit. And boiled beef, chopped diced beef, and stock fish, shredded stockfish, dried stockfish, and cow skin, the one with cow skin, normally known as pomo. Then chopped onions. This is the main ingredient here. And here we have palm oil, table salt or salt, just your normal salt. It doesn't matter if it's table or not. And you have hot curry powder. I prefer to cook with the hot curry powder. So let's get down the business. I'm going to be blending this straight away. Okay, I'm going to be blending that straight away. So this is what it looks like after blending the onions. This is just blended onions. Look at the texture. So guys, I hope you enjoy watching and I hope you will like this onion soup. If you just try this onion soup, can you please let me know how you feel about it. I'm sure you will enjoy it and I'm sure you really love it so much, because I can assure you this onion soup is finger licking. Please let me know if you do try cooking the onion soup. Let me know how you feel about it. Thank you very much for watching. I always appreciate it. So guys, let me leave you and love you. Have a nice day. Have a nice week. God bless you. Saray.